All right, and here is the next lineup for October. Like I said in the last one, I'm definitely trying to get caught up. And as I did in my last like little October thing, I'm gonna go back and actually like do that for all of them. And I'll probably do like a flip through on my Instagram of all of them when I go back and do them. So make sure you guys are following me there to see that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, first up is this kit from Glam Planner. This was her take on the Princess and the Frog movie with Princess Tiana. And again, this is one of the ones that I've been holding on to. But it actually works for me because some of our friends are getting married this week that I'll be planning for. And they both are cooks. And I know she was a chef. So it just kind of like made sense for me. So I'll go through the kit real quick. Show you these extras afterwards. This is her like not Luxe but like it's a 5-page kit. I can't remember how many what it's called, but I'll leave it on the screen. So those are all of the boxes, and I did get the extra boxes here. I got the glitter headers, the labels, and then the double seam box. And then here it actually came with a green washi. I probably won't use this though. I'll probably pull in gold, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do gold because their accent color was gold for the wedding, so I'm gonna do gold. So that is this kit and the first kit of the month. Are you guys sick of rose gold yet? Because you got more coming to you. I gave y'all a break the last one, but this is going to be for this next week. This is a kit from Nikki Plus Three. It is in her older format called Lovely. It wasn't really anything going on this week, so I just wanted to use my stash. So show you the kit itself. She always gives you the numbers and a weekend banner, which I think is so cool. You got some boxes, some washi strip, and some deco, all of your layering stuff here, beautiful headers, all that good stuff, and then your bottom washi and date covers. So this is going to be that second week. Okay, for this third week, which is going to start October 18th. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys the dates of the other two. I'm going to be using this kit from Letters to Apollo. Now, I don't really like Halloween. That's not really my thing. But the two kits, this one and the next one, are both from Letters to Apollo, and I was just like smitten. It's terrible. Okay, but you guys are going to see, because when I hauled this one here, I was like in here losing my mind. Okay, so this one is called Darkness. This, like, how am I supposed to use that for headers? We gonna keep going though. Keep going because this video can't be long. Okay, here we go. Look at that, so freaking beautiful. Oh, and then she did come out with deco to match. So I got 3 of them, and I mainly got 3 because for the next kit, when she was actually demonstrating it, she was like, oh, you can use this deco for that kit as well. So I got 3 of them to use for between these 2 weeks. So that's for the third week. And then for the week of Halloween, I'm going to be using this other kit called Spell. And I can tell you, this really isn't my zhuzh, but the dang cat, okay? The cat got me. It got me. So this is what the kit looks like. I'm going to show you guys again. So beautiful. Look at this freaking, like, the bottom washi. Whoo. And then if you guys see with the deco, you see what I mean? It really works. So when she demonstrated it on her Instagram, I was just like, oh my gosh, that's so good. So I'll be doing this for the last week of October. All right, and that concludes this video of all of my lineup of kits for October. Hopefully you guys are excited for these videos. I'm excited to like continue on with my planning and, you know, getting my plan, like filling my planner up. Like it feels so good for it to be all one actual calendar year and then seeing it get full. It's amazing. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.